Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to tap my Android mobile notification panel and it shows no service. Selected network Geo 4G not available. So how to fix this problem? So before going to our tutorial, first of all, why this notification occurring? So if your area not covered proper mobile signal, it shows this kind of error messages. So anyway, how to check it if your area has network signal or not? So just open your settings menu. So here you can scroll down and then go to the last page. So now I try to access about phone and it shows my IMEI numbers for SIM card 1 and 2. So anyway, here you can go to status and then select SIM card status. So in bottom it shows my dual SIM cards. So here I try to select the Geo SIM card and this is my primary SIM card. So now in this section you can note one thing. So it shows my Geo signal strength and the value is minus 124 dpm. So what is the good signal strength? So 50 dpm to 70 dpm is very good one to make your voice calls and more than 100 dpm is your area not have a mobile signal. So I try to check my another SIM card signal strength. So here it shows minus 95 dpm and this is enough to make your normal voice calls. So friends, the purpose of this video making is if you get this no service error message, don't try to change any settings from your mobile network section, and this problem is mainly occurred due to your area not covered proper mobile signal. So if you have this problem, just once restart your Android or iOS device and then go outside of your home or workplace and then discover your mobile signal. So anyway, this is not a solution video, but I tell you only the suggestion to troubleshoot this issue. So for more tech suggestions, just subscribe our beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.